Hi, and welcome to another Rightstar Snacktime Snippet. My name's Alan Reynolds. I'm a Presales System Engineer with Rightstar and Atlassian Gold Solution Partner. And this is our first part of our multi-snippet series on getting product and IT teams under the same umbrella with Jira Service Management. So a primary recommendation in Gartner's 2022 strategic roadmap for IT service management is to enable IT and product teams to practice ITSM. In other words, you need to get your IT and product teams to work collaboratively under the same umbrella. Now, Information Technology Service Management, ITSM, is a IT framework focused on the processes and technological aspects of planning and enabling and delivering and continuously managing IT services. The main goal of ITSM is to offer IT services to customers in a timely and auditable manner. Typically, this is achieved through well-defined ITSM processes like configuration management and incident management and problem management and change enablement and service request fulfillment and release management and service level management. But because ITSM is used to manage end-to-end delivery, it's often compared to DevOps. Now, DevOps, with Dev and Ops referring to operations, is a practice that combines software application development and IT operations. It actively works against the siloing of development and operation teams. Now, the main aim of DevOps and the objective of teams who practice it, like product teams, is to improve collaboration between development and operations teams. And the result of that improved collaboration is more rapid building and testing and releasing of more consistently reliable software. Now, although ITSM and DevOps are regularly framed as conflicting concepts, both frameworks can really be used to work quickly and strategically while maintaining a thorough development process that includes continuous integration and frequent testing and automation and IT management and collaboration. And both types of teams can use ITSM to communicate and to work more effectively. Fortunately, Atlassian has designed and built Jira Service Management, JSM, for both product and IT teams, a claim that no other ITSM toolset vendor can make. So today we'll discuss the importance of collaboration between product and ITSM teams and demonstrate the value of Atlassian's Jira Service Management as the centerpiece of that collaboration. So product teams must maintain a broad focus. They typically oversee a product's planning and overall development and marketing and sales and sales planning at least, and pricing estimates, and eventually launching into the market. Such a broad array of responsibilities create space for collaboration with multiple teams like engineering and operations and support and marketing and sales. And as a result of that close interconnectedness, product teams and development teams often overlapped in purview and strategy. In many ways, DevOps teams are a subset of product teams, really, with DevOps often having the most hands-on influence over what the product looks like and how it's maintained on a day-to-day basis. Now, in contrast, the goal of an IT team is to enable the product team to carry out their duties effectively. So while IT team members aren't directly responsible for the product, they provide the necessary infrastructure that enables DevOps and other crucial development practices to take place. IT teams are responsible for maintaining the fundamental building blocks of collaboration, including project management tools and service desks and company-wide communication channels. So while respective teams' responsibilities are geared toward meeting the overall organization's goals, effectively implementing and practicing these two concepts together in reality is quite challenging. So to effectively do it requires discipline and a capable collaboration platform. Some organizations don't yet integrate DevOps practices into their projects or software development lifecycle. And in contrast, some implement DevOps methods only to find out there's still friction that degrades the collaboration between the development and operation teams. For example, consider a development team that packages its product as a jar artifact instead of a containerized application. Now, this doesn't align with the operations team's expectations, nor does that team receive any advance warning. And that can create a challenge when defining the operations team's CI/CD pipeline stages, and that, of course, can cascade into additional issues. Now, while that might seem like a conflict strictly between Dev and Ops, it also represents a misalignment between product and IT teams. Without the proper tools and communication channels that ITSM mechanisms establish, dev and ops struggle to remain synchronized with each other. And as a result, they experience difficulties aligning with the larger product team as projects pass through the software development lifecycle. However, having a strong ITSM backbone can minimize these misalignments. Thanks for joining us today. We'd love to hear from you. Feel free to reach out to us for a demo of Jira Service Management or any of the Atlassian solutions, or just call us with any questions that you might have. Our contact information is here on the screen. Please come back and join us for our next part of our Rightstar Snacktime Snippet series.